Hey everybody, Josh here, and I'm in the recording studio. You can see we got the ceilings, the walls. The sound is way better now, but let me show you the kit that I've put together to travel, do work. I'm hoping to do more commercial work. Going to be pretty exciting to do some fun side projects. All right, I'm gonna start from left to right. We've got the new mat box. There's the Pocket 3, which can do 4K 60. It's absolutely fantastic. This has the harness on it too, so I can strap stuff onto it, and this will also quick strap up to the top frame of the hard frame that I've got on the Z8. There's the Surui anamorphic 1.33, 20 mil, fantastic. The adapter, and of course I've got the variable eight-step variable ND filter on the mat box. There's a extra tripod for a fellow that wants to set up one of those two lights over there. Battery backup that can either charge something or provide power for lights for a long time. Got a whole bunch of extra memory cards in here. Oh, maybe on the other side. There we go. Oh, apparently I had that side. There we go. There. Bunch of 128s. But the adapters with the larger terabytes are just as effective. I'll have to stock that up. This one here, we've got, these are the magnetic, different types of, what would you call them? There's, wide angle, anamorphic, you got macros, then there's some ND filters for sunlight recording. That works with the Pocket 3. Another part of the assembled mini rig there, the MKH50, which is just an absolutely stunning microphone, requires very little work to get it production ready. And then there's a adapter on the end here, the MVX2U, which will take this signal, provide power to it, the 48 volt phantom power, and allow you to hook it up to something like the Pocket 3 if a person wants to, or I can take that off and then go into the Z8. This is the microphone attachment. If I pull this out, see that. And then, of course, we've got a this is kind of nice to get an arm out, so if you want the mic to be positioned a little bit further to the subject you're recording audio from. Then we've got this little fun tripod, which is easy to hook up. Another camera. This is a Sony. This is the Z1, I believe. And it's great. It'll do 4K 30, which is all I need. And there is attachment that I have. It's not on it right now, but for the teleprompter. And usually that's my teleprompter camera that I can permanently hook up to the computer. We've got little kits just in case I want to hook something up. Of course, we've got a way to charge the batteries, another battery backup that can power two other things. There's another charger here, and we've got the top piece for the handle for the rig. We've got two big batteries that can also power things or charge things, and this is the adapter that allows me to spit out HDMI signal, the Axoon. This thing is so cool, and this is going to tie into a number of devices, so a phone, a tablet, whatever, and it'll even unsqueeze the anamorphic. And then, of course, this is a battery-powered, this is a self-charged unit that will also provide phantom power and then convert this audio signal for me. And I like to run multiple audios, not just the built-in. With the Pocket 3, typically this is what I will use, is I'll hook up the Pocket 3. This thing's full of charge right now, and I can hook these up to either a little clip or what have you, and then this will go into the Pocket 3, and it automatically syncs. Yeah, pretty, it works really well. Got another one of those adjustable Those little adjustable arms. And another charger for those bigger batteries that you saw. Ooh, getting to the piece de resistance. This is my waterproof studio viewers mount. And I can mount handles to this with the rails it's got around it. It's an iPad, and yeah, I can also mount a battery to this so it can self-charge while it's running, and this will be de-squeezing and giving a nice large picture real time of the video that I'll be recording. And I have tried this with 4 different videos at the same time, and it works. Yeah, it works really good. I've got a tripod in here that I need as well. There's a number of tripods, but if I do need, then I have other tripods that I can bring. And of course, we've got another rig, little mini rig here for the other camera, the big shoulder rig if needed. A number of large floor lights that will work along with these little mini guys here. Yeah, the kind of set up for success, of course, in the home theater studio. For my processing machine, I'm rocking this beast, which has 128 gigs of RAM, a GTX 4090, and a i9 processor, 13900K. I've got, oh geez, I can't even remember how many hard drives. There's like 7 hard drives in here because I do a lot of 4K editing, 4K video editing. That's about it for the preview.